This review is of Instinct Ultimate Protein Cage-Free Duck Recipe for adult cats. And in addition to that, it doesn't say whether or not it's for indoor or outdoor cats. At least I couldn't find it on the bag or online. This is the product that I was that I got a coupon for. Although not specifically this one, there were several that I could have chosen from that did not have raw meat in them, and well, supposedly didn't have raw meat, but unfortunately, I later discovered that there is freeze-dried duck in here and stuff. So I didn't know that, and I'll get to the reason for that later. Sorry, Sherlock, you need to be down if you're going to be laying on my computer. Alright, so the age is adult, like I said, and, well, I've considered returning this because it does seem like it does sometimes make him vomit, but I'm not exactly sure. However, there are no grains or soys. It does have dried whey protein concentrate in it, which is one of those strange man-made ingredients where they isolate things out. And then there are for starchy vegetables, there's only tapioca, which is from the cassava root. There are no byproduct meal, which is to say there's no internal organ meal in the food. As far as meat content, it had not very much meat as far as I could tell. You know, it's hard to tell from an ingredient list really how much meat is in it. Out of the top 13, there were a total of 13 ingredients in it, but out of the top 13, there were only 5 that were animal products: duck, chicken, and egg product, dried whey protein concentrate, and freeze-dried duck. And so, were the animals used cage-free? As far as I could tell, yes. And the food is a combination of cooked kibble and raw freeze-dried product. Or specifically, I think it's just duck. Yeah, just the duck. When I chose it, I didn't realize that there was duck in there. I was trying to avoid any raw food. And it's either the duck or the fact that it's freeze-dried food or raw food that bothers my cat and makes him want to vomit. Now, as far as nutrients are concerned, 47% crude protein, 17% crude fat, 3% crude fiber, moisture's at 19%. There's calcium and selenium, phosphorus and zinc and vitamin A in it, but it doesn't give the amounts. There's vitamin C, 85 milligrams per kilogram, vitamin E, 100 international units per kilogram, taurine, 0.1%, omega-3, 0.7%, omega-6, 2.7%, 60 million CFUs per pound of lactic acid microorganisms. The lactic acid microorganisms were Bacillus coagulans. The metabolizable calories in kilograms, kilocalories per kilogram were 4,510, and per cup were 496. Does it meet the AAFCO's cat food nutrient profile? Yes. And you can go on the website for more information. As far as how well my cat liked this food, it was behind all of the other foods except for the 2 that I returned, which were Wellness Core Raw Rev and Instinct Raw, both of which have freeze-dried meat in it. The only strong correlation I could find between the 3 products that my cat did not like or made him vomit, well, actually, was the presence of freeze-dried animal products. I couldn't find any other strong correlations to to explain the problem. And apparently my cat is not happy with freeze-dried food. I can't say I blame him. Freeze-dried can be gross. So, since the score was low and he's not very fond of it, I have to mix it with something else to get him to eat it. Which, it's not ideal, right? So I can really only give this a 3 out of 10. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.